In the memory chip packaging plant of the semiconductor industry, the application of semiconductor variable frequency chiller has a greater impact on ensuring the quality and efficiency of the packaging process. Here are some specific application scenarios. Chip curing process. In the memory chip packaging process, through accurate temperature control, chiller helps to improve the curing quality, reduce defects and failure rates, and improve product reliability. Chip annealing process. Annealing is another step in the memory chip packaging process. Effective temperature control helps to reduce stress and cracks in the packaging material and improve the stability and life of the product. Chip testing process. After packaging is completed, accurate temperature control helps to obtain accurate test results and improve the reliability and accuracy of the test. Semiconductor variable frequency chiller. By providing accurate and stable temperature control, the chiller helps to improve the quality and efficiency of the packaging process and ensure the performance and reliability of the memory chip.